Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be focused on remote work and what is, in my opinion, the best setup to get yourself set up with so that you can quickly innovate online and how you can go about being more productive while you are coding. So I've spent a lot of time in my setup to make sure that I have it effective for what my needs are, and I find myself always in Python, and I just love Pycharm. It is just that one that I just can't get rid of, and it's, in my opinion, the best editor. Not because VS Code isn't good or anything else. It's just, I don't know. It just feels home for me. So that's just my opinion. You do have to pay for it, but for me, I think it is worth the investment because they go out of their way to simplify a lot of things and to just really help automate, what is the whole process. So with this, let's jump into what the requirements are. Like I said, we do have Pycharm that is a requirement, and I do have something else, which is right here that you can see. I have better touch tools. As you can see, I have a lot of different buttons that a lot of other people would not have, and it allows me to do different things. So like, for example, if I want to go up here and if I want to just start closing out apps, I can go over here and I can just press this button. And as you can see, I'll keep on pressing the button. It's closing out apps, it's closing out apps, closing out apps. So this is also perfect for like creating quick, tests of I need this F string to be this color so that I can put in that code, which is like this one right here. And this uses Colorama, and this is another really just useful thing. So I'll just show this real quick, where if I press the button, I'll press the button real quick, it creates a print with Colorama and then, whatever I want to change. So it just allows me as a data scientist to really just be more effective in what is the really minute side and what can be confusing whenever you're working with data. So other than that, there is this iPad that is another requirement, and I use this as my screen for searching, and I put this 2 layers deep. So where this is 1 layer, and let me show you one more thing about Better Touch Tools. I'm going to jump into the iPad, but with the Better Touch Tools, it also has this ability to throw it up in a big format. So you are easily able to reference code and then just jump in between like what you need to do. And this is just an amazing thing. So I want to bring it back this way, I could do this. If I really wanted to do it like up here and I wanted a smaller version, you could do that. So it just really just the automatic click and go to where it needs to go. This guy just did an amazing work with Better Touch Tools, and I just cannot praise his work more. So other than that, let's dive into the ad pod thing. Like I said, and I've mentioned in other videos, I do like Opera and I do like Google Chrome. So I will jump in between this, and this is where I'll have like my test or some documentation, and then here's where I'll be doing some more searching. And ideally, if I have videos or stuff, and I can kind of show that real quick. Let me pull up a video real quick. We'll go over to YouTube. So this is what we will pick up because we're currently working.
Tell Gavin where we are on the video
and
situation.
what there is there's a button up here, and as you can see, it popped down right here. And now I could do more work. And the other thing that I can do is resize this so that I can actually continue to code. If I have this up and I have the code right here. So let's jump back into the code. Then I have this at a full screen. And let's say that this is my tutorial showing like the code that is going on. I can easily reference that and I can continue to type and work without this getting in the way. So as far as trying to learn programming, this is the best setup because it allows you a lot more dynamic features whenever you are trying to innovate, and whenever you're trying to watch videos and stuff, it makes it so that you don't have to strain yourself from jumping between resources that much, and so you can actually multitask and watch videos if you would like while you were coding. I like to listen to music at this point because once you get coding down to a point, you can do other stuff while you are coding. At least I can. And hopefully you guys will get to that level too. But at the very start of it, this is just a good way to learn and to innovate online. So I know this is an expensive setup. You don't need to go this far. This is just my ideal remote setup, which I just wanted to share with you. And anyway, with that, if you found this useful, please shoot me a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one.